All right, guys, here we are today. We're going to talk about our September company. Right here, we're going to do our unboxing first impression. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at what I have picked up for our September company. Now, you saw it in the title. This is Grindstone Grooming, based out of Indiana. Now, I have never used this company before. I've been seeing some stuff pop up about them, never watched a review because they were on my radar to drop in for this month or this year. So I didn't watch any reviews. So I don't know anything about the company. I went on their website. We'll save our review of the website till the end of the month, but I went on their website, perused around, and came up with what I wanted to purchase. So here it is. Now, just to give you a little backing up, it took 5 days to arrive to my house. From the day I purchased, I don't count until the next day. So 5 days to arrive at my house. It came in. It is blazing hot here in South Georgia. I do have a black mailbox. So I threw it in the fridge for a couple hours just to make sure everything was safe and sound and back in one solid piece as opposed to melting. What I did order, I can feel it in here. I did order an oil and a butter. So let's just dive in. So we have our Swiss Army Tinker right here. Did a review of this knife if you're interested. I'll put a card up top, but this one. But yes, if you're unfamiliar with how I'm doing beard product reviews this year, 2023, I'm purchasing the products that I want to try. It could be a specific scent profile or just an oil or butter or whatever from the company. I'm picking a company at random, one I've never used before, and preferably small batch. Now, I have wavered on the small batch thing, but I order what I want, give you a consumer first impression, and then I give you a full consumer review at the end of the month. What's in this package is the only products going in my beard for the entire month of September. So let's dive in. Let's see. Our Tinker has 2 blades on it. So which one do we want? No, Tinker only has 1 blade on it. No, it's got 2. I'm losing my mind. All right, let's go with the big blade. So this is our Tinker from Victorinox Swiss Army. So you can see this package has never been opened. Let's get it all back down to the other side. And let's see what we have in here. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. All right, so we have a business card. So Daniel, I'm gonna mispronounce his last name, but that is the owner and creator. So we have a business card with a phone number, email, website, all that. Some more paperwork. What is this? All right, so this is our basically our receipt. It says chill butter 15 to 20 minutes before opening, may melt, and enjoy the oil and butter. Thank you, Daniel. So a handwritten note. You can see here it is handwritten on there with a Sharpie. So what do we have? So here's our oil. Here's our butter. And that's it. All right, let's get that to the side. We have another handwritten note here. It says chill 15 to 20 minutes, may melt in transit. Like that. I wish every company put that on there, just because if you're new to the beard game, you may not know that it could melt, and you'd be really surprised. So we're bubble wrapped up, so we're out of the bubble wrap there. And our oil, get it out of the bubble wrap. So first off, we got frosted bottles. Awesome label. Love the look of the label. All right, they look really clean, really classy, gold and black with some white on there. So the scent that I picked is Slick Finish. Now I picked both Slick Finish for both the oil and the butter. Ingredients: Abyssinian oil, hemp seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, argan oil, castor oil, and fragrance. Let's see what our ingredients are on the butter. So that's what our butter looks like. It's in a solid black tub. Ingredients on the butter. Something, I can't read that. Something butter. Mango butter, Abyssinian oil, hemp seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, argan oil, castor oil, and fragrance. So I couldn't remember what the scent is, but it is on the bottle. So let me get a look. Let me get a sniffer of it before I try to read what it is. So get about a little over half of a dropper. Pretty clear oil. Oh my gracious. That smells. I get it. I get the musk. And I get something else. It smells like an old school aftershave. Cologne aftershave. Old school though. Smells really, really good. Let's check out this butter before we do anything else. Screw top. Oh, that is full. Just from here, it smells the same. This is a classy smell. It's clean. It's old school. It smells so good. Slick finish is musky, complex, and woods. Man. Let me go back to the oil. The oil's usually a little more prominent. Get the musky. It's definitely complex. There's something else I'm picking up in there, and I can't tell what it is. Grindstone Grooming. First impression, amazing scent. Ready to get this in my beard. It does have castor in there, so it's a little bit thicker than what I've been using. So, yes, ready to go. September, here we are. We're ready. We've got oil. We've got a butter. Price on this, the oil and the butter together with shipping ran me $38. And so far, it smells amazing. Oh, I love this smell. I love this scent. It's great. Slick finish. So we got a 1 ounce oil and a 2 ounce beard butter. So yes, I'll have a link to Grindstone in the description below if you're interested and want to go check them out. No affiliates, no none of that. To them, I'm just a customer. So go check them out. And yes, until next time, but make sure to stay tuned for the end of the month. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you're notified when new videos drop. At the end of the month, we're going to come back with a full review of not only these products, but also the company, the website, the experience, all of it. So stay tuned for that. And yes, so until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.